How to see unsent messages in Messenger. Here's how. To begin with, launch the Messenger app on a device. After that, tap on the hamburger icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Then from the available menu option, select Settings. Although Messenger doesn't offer a direct method to view the unsent messages, here is a trick that might help. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll down and click on the Notification and Sounds. Here keep scrolling until you find the Notification Preview option. Turn this switch to the on position. Doing so allows preview of incoming messages, including those that may be unsent, to appear in your notification bar. Next, return to your home screen and open the settings on your phone. From there, navigate to the notification and status bar and open it. In this section, toggle the switch beside show notification icon. This will ensure a small icon appears in your status bar each time you receive a notification, giving you access to unsent messages before they are gone. That's it. This is how to see unsent messages in Messenger.